Okay. Hi. So, mo ni mong room. First is naadari nga side ang cabinet.
That's incredible.
Nanamong sanina nga suoton. Okay.
There's
Diri is CR. So, mo na yung CR diri. Wow. Katako. Oh. Asa daw sila Ate Joy?
Daddy,
Let's restart.
can you come here?
Dito ang Ryan in the beginning.
And then,
Daddy, can you
naa
come here?
sila'y
No, I paper dito.
Water.
Pwede na mo gamit.
coffee. So, mag-init ra ka dira. Naa diri ang, saan siya pag-open? Okay, ref. So, wala yung sulod ang ref.
Ganida ba?
So, yung mga gamit, gamit na mo good for 2 nights. TV, mirror, couch, and then naa sila diri. Ooh, look! I love it! So, open the door. Where's the... So, naka-on na ang aircon. Oh. Oh, wow! So pretty!
Oh no, pwede kami mag-play diri.
So, we can walk dito. So, maka-walk ta din ha later.
This is a ugly.
Okay, so we will get inside na.
This is
Nasa
a
lay gamay diri nga.
This is a mansion.
Kuan.
I will draw mga kaingon ni Daddy. Pwede ni draw.
So, naay bed diri. Gamay, single, kini double.
Ma, hair dryer.
Yeah, where?
Oh, okay. Up.
Oops. And then, oh, finally, they have a hair dryer here. And, walay sulod. Walay sulod.
Oh, mommy, look.
And also, they have
Zara keeps drawing the door.
Bible.
There's a thingy.
Yep.
Look on there. That's it, everybody. I love you so much. Bye. Bye.
Where's Daddy?
TV, have our own TV.
So, na sila shower diri.
Daddy, arak ka dira. Let's see,
Sila
Daddy.
sabon.
Mawiwi sa pod, ma. Can you go out? Kay
Okay.
mawiwi ko.
Towel.
Ano nga?
And then, toothbrush. Towel. Tissue. And this is the body lotion.
Zara, go out. I will wee-wee.
Sumama na siya.
Wee-wee.